So we're at Barton Marina. We're gonna have a little walk around the shops and have a little look around and get some photos and some drone stuff, I think, while we're here, if the wind calms down a little bit. And then we're going to the cinema, and then we're gonna go and have food. So yeah, it's my birthday on Tuesday, so they've decided to bring me out today, and for that. So I've been around, done a few shots. We're just heading back now because it's almost time for the cinema. So we're gonna go and watch Beetlejuice #2, and then we're gonna go out for some food. But some lovely scenic shots over here today. Really, really nice place to come if you want to bring, oh, that flies. If you want to bring your camera out or even your drone. I haven't had any issues flying it around here. No one said anything. There's no sign saying you can't fly it. So yeah, good spot for drone shots. This is the first time I've actually used the direction track mode. So it's going backwards now, so obviously got no sensors. But we've got a few trees and we've got a lake to the side of us over there. So let's see how this thing copes going backwards. It's gonna hit the tree. It's gonna hit the tree. Oh no, it's dodged the tree. How did it do that? Maybe my movement is assisting it somehow. Right, we've just finished up watching Beetlejuice. What did you think, Miley? It was really good. Yeah, it was really good, the film, and we're all done now. We're leaving Barton Marina. Good place to come and fly your drone, good place to film, and the cinema was kind of cool. It was a tiny little cinema, but it was really good. And then you got food straight after. It's good. Thanks, Mum, for the treat today. Not my mum, her mum. Bye.